By the end of the video you will know about Beginner's Guide, Bodyweight Workout Essentials. Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we're diving into a beginner's guide, Bodyweight Workout Essentials. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to shake up your routine, bodyweight workouts are a fantastic option that you can do from the comfort of your own home. First off, let's introduce the push-up. This classic move is a great way to work your chest, triceps, and core. Start by getting into a high plank position, hands shoulder width apart, and lower yourself down slowly. Push back up, keeping your core tight and body straight. Aim for 10 reps to start. Next up is the squat. This move targets your legs and glutes. Begin with feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself down, keeping your knees behind your toes and back straight. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 10 reps initially. The burpee is our third essential move. This full body exercise combines a squat movement with a push-up and jump at the end. Start with 5 reps and work your way up as you get stronger. Remember to keep form first. Finally, let's do some jumping jacks or high knees for cardio. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up, while high knees help improve cardiovascular endurance and leg strength. Start with 1 minute of each exercise before building up to more time as needed. Remember, always prioritize safety over speed when starting out with bodyweight workouts or any new exercise routine. If you have any concerns about injuries or health issues, always consult with a doctor before starting any new exercise program. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit from these essential bodyweight workout tips too. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content tailored for beginners like this one. Until next time, stay safe and keep moving.